It's essential that you're visible to other road users, so fit bright lights to the front and rear of your bike. Make sure your reflectors are in good condition and make sure your batteries are fully charged. Riding after dark without lights is an offence.
Whether it's daytime or night, fluorescent or reflective clothing will make you much more visible.
By law, you must ensure your bike has a bell to alert other road users of your presence. Be sure it's a loud one.
If your bike breaks or you fall off, you may have to call for help, so carry a fully charged phone.
It's not a legal requirement to wear a helmet, but if you don't and you're involved in a collision, your chances of a head injury are massively increased.
Even if you leave your bike for just a few minutes, it can be swiped. So invest in some security to make sure it stays put.
Fixing a puncture is quick and easy, so carrying a repair kit could save a load of time and hassle. Make sure you've got a pump too, or you won't be able to put any air in the inner tube once it's repaired. You don't really need to spend a fortune on any of these things, but generally the more you pay, the better your kit will be. Buy a really cheap kit and it may have to be replaced in double quick time, so it'll prove to be a false economy.